Manish wants to send DXL from his agent to the web browser. What should he include to have the browser render the DXL in a readable format for his users? Option A. Embedded HTML for display. Option B. A reference to a Java applet for display. Option C. JavaScript rendering functions for display. Option D. A reference to an extensible style sheet for display. The correct answer is option D. Which of the following Domino language lists supports importing and exporting DXL? Option A. Java only. Option B. Lotus script only. Option C. Lotus script and Java. Option D. Lotus script, Java, and Formula language. The correct answer is option C. Joe wants to store JavaScript code in his forms so that the code can be called from other events on the form. Where should he put the code? Option A. In the forms unload event. Option B. In the forms.js header event. Option C. In the forms.js global functions event. Option D. In the forms HTML body attributes event. The correct answer is option B. What does a Erlang code do? Option A. Launches a URL. Option B. Encrypts a URL. Option C. Ensures that a URL is SSL enabled. Option D. Encodes a string into a URL safe format. The correct answer is option D.